Tired of the to-do list tornado that's making your team collaboration a nightmare? Well, get ready to transform that chaos into clarity, because in the next minute, I'm going to show you how to assign multiple to-dos in Basecamp, making your team more productive and projects way smoother. Alright, let's jump right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the project where your to-dos live and then select the to-do list that contains the tasks you'd like to assign. Now, here's the key. Click the checkboxes next to each to-do that you want to assign. You can select as many as you need to assign in bulk. Once you've selected all the to-dos, look for the bulk assignment option. It's usually a button that says Assign or an Assign to drop-down menu. Click on that, and a list of your team members will appear. Simply select the team member or members you want to assign these to-dos to. For optimal project management, remember to set due dates. Basecamp makes it easy to add due dates for all these assigned to-dos. This keeps everyone on track. Don't forget reminders. Set those up to ensure everyone receives a notification before the deadline. This reduces the risk of missing deadlines and save changes. And that's it. You've just assigned multiple to-dos in Basecamp. Now your team members know exactly what they're responsible for. They can now manage these tasks effectively and contribute to keeping the project on schedule. This promotes accountability and enables team members to manage their tasks effectively. So ditch the chaos and embrace the power of efficient task assignment in Basecamp. Your team will thank you for it.